केलं. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Dance Nehal. जसं की तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की मी ट्युटोरियल पण स्टार्ट केलेले आहेत आणि तुमचा इतका चांगला रिस्पॉन्स बघून मला असं वाटलं की मी आणखीन ट्युटोरियल्स बनवावे. सो थँक्यू सो मच की तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी मला पॉझिटिव्ह रिस्पॉन्स दिला. आणि खरंच ज्यांना डान्स शिकायची इच्छा आहे त्यांनी प्लीज माझे व्हिडिओज नक्की फॉलो करा, लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. And for those guys who really want to get entertained, please go and watch my other videos too. So today the tutorial is based on the video which I have just recently posted, that is Daru Badnaam, and I'm going to show you choreography of that song. Okay, let's start. So let's start with the first step. Do your hand like this. Take your hand in the front side of your torso, and this should go down like you are hitting something. But while doing this, you also should move your hips and legs also. Just see how. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep repeating this 2 to 3 times until you cover that music. Okay. So next, after doing this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Continuously, you should do other steps as well. Okay. See how. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Once again. 1, 2, 3. 2. Okay. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. जर तुम्हाला समजत नसेल तर प्लीज रिवाइंड करा आणि नक्की पहा. ओके. आता नेक्स्ट स्टेप परत एकदा मी सांगते तुम्हाला आणि कंटिन्युअसली आपण थर्ड स्टेप पण घेऊया. 1, 2, 3, 4. तिथूनच आपल्याला 1, 2, 1, 2 असं करायचं. ओके. But while doing this, you also have to go behind little and move your torso little bit. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3. Little cross we have to go. Okay, let's start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, this is the fourth step. Just you have to move your hips in the crossword direction and your hands also in the opposite direction. See, 1, 2. Okay, again we'll start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then immediately you have to come front like this. Okay, while coming in front, bring both your hands in front of your face, and while doing this you just have to go forward, but pay attention to my legs. One left leg is in front side and my another leg is behind. Okay, pay attention. 1, 2, 3, but quickly you have to do on the music. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll do till here. Okay, from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until just pay attention to the music while doing this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after doing this, immediately after doing this, just do 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Like you are just flying your hands in the air. Okay, see, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Based on the music, you just have to perform this step. We'll start again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, after doing this we'll go to the next step, that is 1 2 3 4. While doing this you just have to go little up. You just have to lift your foot little up and your hands in the air but in the crossword direction. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 1 2. Okay, got it? 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4, like you're going with the music, okay? Again, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, again we'll do it from the beginning. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23. I'm counting everything. Okay, this is it. Okay, now next. Okay, okay, then after doing this 1 2 3 4, immediately do 1 2. While doing this, take your left leg outside and just hop little bit. Okay, 2 in the right side. Take your right leg to the outside and take your both the hands outside and do this way. Okay, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, sorry for this. Okay, 1 2 1 2. Okay, we'll do from the beginning. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 until the music finishes. Okay, then after that 1. While doing this, bend little down in the left side and your left hand should go down and the right hand should be on the hip. Okay, just pay attention. 1 2. Bring your right leg forward, also left leg forward, but bend it little. Okay, okay, again 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, again 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Now one last time we'll do from the beginning. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Whew. So this is it, guys. This was my tutorial for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please go and watch the song, the video Daru Badnaam. Based on that song, I have taught you this choreography today. For those who are learning, please do watch, like, share and subscribe. Those who also wanted to get entertained, also go and watch my other videos, dance videos or tutorials if you want. Please keep supporting, guys. Thank you for your great response and thank you so much.